morning students, welcome to today's class. In this class we will revise the last topic from your chapter time, that is word problems based on time. Okay, now there are three small examples in your textbook. Page number 89, question number, example number 13. See here, a courier boy delivered letters for 2 hours 35 minutes. That means a courier boy has spent 2 hours 35 minutes delivering letters. Okay, and parcels for 3 hours 28 minutes in a day. So for letters he has spent 2 hours 35 minutes, and for parcels he has spent 3 hours 28 minutes in a day. So they have asked you, for how long was he on the job? Now your question is, they have given time spent in delivering letters. So for 13, the time spent for letters, time spent for letters is equal to 2 hours 35 minutes. Yes. Now the same thing, time spent for parcel, time spent for parcel is equal to 3 hours 28 minutes. Now your question is, for how long he was there in his job? So nothing, you have to add these two numbers. So 2 hours 35 minutes plus 3 hours 28 minutes. Now if you add, what do you get? When you add, you get here 63 minutes and 5 hours. Yes or no? But this 63 is nothing but 60 plus 3 minutes. Correct? And we know 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. So these 60 minutes, I will add it up here, and whatever is remaining is 3 minutes. So now it becomes 6 hours 3 minutes. Okay. So he was there in his job for 6 hours and 3 minutes. In this way, you are going to solve the word problems of your chapter time. Now, in your next question, there is one more question. Mr. Roy spends 1 hour 30 minutes in his garden every day. Mr. Pawan does the same for 50 minutes. How much more time did Mr. Roy spend than Mr. Pawan in his garden? That means Mr. Sharma is spending 1 hour 30 minutes. 1 hour 30 minutes in his garden. And Mr. Pawan is spending 50 minutes in his garden. So now the question is, they are asking you, how much more does Mr. Roy spend than Mr. Pawan? If Mr. Roy has spent 1 hour 30 minutes and Pawan has spent 50 minutes, okay? So they are asking you, how much more is Mr. Roy has spent? So nothing, you have to subtract it. If I subtract, you cannot subtract 5 from 3. So I take a borrow from 1 hour, I take 60 minutes. So 60, if I take this 1 hour here, this becomes 0, and this 1 hour is nothing but 60 minutes. 60 plus 30 becomes 90. So 90 minus 50 is nothing but 40 minutes. So that means Mr. Roy spends 40 minutes more than Mr. Pawan in his garden. Okay. Then there is one more example in your textbook, that is example number 16. Sohan started preparing for his exam from 16th of July. The exams were scheduled to be 25 days later. On which day the exam started? Now you see one thing. Now Sohan started preparing when? Sohan started preparation on 16th of July. That means 16th of July. Now his exam is scheduled on 25 days later. 25 days later. Now in July 31 days, correct? 31 days, and he has already started preparation from 16th of July. Exam is on 25th. Now if you subtract, 16th of July is the 15th day of July month, and we know all total July month has 31 days. So now what I do, 31 minus 15, if you do, you get 16 days, correct? You get 16 days. Now his exam is scheduled on 25th, after 25 days later, correct? So 25 days later means it will come in the month of August. So what I do, I simply minus this 25 minus 16, I get 9. I get 9. So now that means on the 9th day of August, if I start counting from 1, then my 9th day will be 10th of August. 9th day will be 10th of August. Okay. So in this way you have to solve these sums. This sum I am going to tell you again. See, Sohan has started on 16th of July and his exam is 25 days later. They are asking you on which day it is starting. So what information we have when he has started, that is 16th of July. Now in July month we have 31 days, correct? 31 days. Now when you count from 1st of July to 16th of July, 16th of July is the 15th day. So what I do, 31 minus 15 I have done, then I have remaining 16 days. And the question is, exam is starting 25 days later. So 16 days done, that will come under July only. So the next half which starts with August. Now in August, if you add 9 more days, then only it becomes 25 days. So if you add 9 more days, then the 9th day is nothing but 10th of August. So that is 10th of August, Sohan's exam is going to start. In this way, you have to solve the word problems of addition and subtraction. Students, all the best for tomorrow's exam. Perform well. If ever you don't know any question, do not forget to attempt it. Attempt all the questions, because attempting also matters. Okay? So everyone, all the best. Perform well. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.